In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the user acquisition report in Google Analytics 4. This report is really helpful when you want to understand where your users are coming from, which channels are performing best, and how different marketing efforts are contributing to new users on your site or app. To get started, open your browser and go to analytics.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that has access to your analytics property. If you manage multiple sites or apps, double check that you've selected the right account and property at the top of the screen. Taking a second to confirm this now will prevent confusion later when you're looking at the data. Once you're in the correct property, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see several main sections. Click on the section labeled Reports. This is where Google Analytics 4 groups together all of the standard reports that help you monitor performance without building anything from scratch. When the Reports workspace opens, you'll notice a few categories, and one of the main ones is called Lifecycle. This section is designed to follow the journey of your users from how they first arrive to how they engage and whether they convert. In the Lifecycle section, find and click on Acquisition. This is where you'll find reports related to how users land on your site or app in the first place. After you click on Acquisition, you'll see a couple of different report options. What we want here is specifically focused on new users, so go ahead and click on User Acquisition. The User Acquisition report in Google Analytics 4 shows you how users were acquired during their first session. In other words, it looks at the source, medium, and campaign that brought them to you for the very first time. Once the user acquisition report loads, take a moment to look at the layout. At the top, you'll usually see a set of summary cards with key metrics, such as total users, new users, engagement rate, or conversions if you have them set up. Below that, there's a table that breaks down those metrics by different dimensions like default channel group, source, medium, or campaign. You can adjust the primary dimension to focus on what matters most to you. For example, if you're comparing performance between paid search, organic search, and social media, leaving it on default channel group is usually helpful. If you're comparing specific ad platforms or partners, switching to source or source medium might give you more granular insight. Use the drop-down menus above the table to switch between these views. Pay attention to how different acquisition channels perform, not only in terms of user count, but also in quality metrics like engagement time, engaged sessions per user, and conversions. This helps you see the difference between traffic that just arrives and traffic that actually interacts and drives value. You can also change the date range in the top right corner of the interface to look at different periods, such as the last 7 days, last 30 days, or a custom time frame. And this is useful for checking the impact of specific campaigns or changes you've made to your marketing. Remember, the user acquisition report focuses on how users first discovered you. If you're interested in how traffic behaves across all sessions, not just the first one, you'd use the traffic acquisition report instead. But for understanding initial touch points and evaluating what's bringing in new users, the user acquisition report is the place to be. That's all you need to access and start using the user acquisition report in Google Analytics 4. Go to analytics.google.com, open reports, navigate to the lifecycle section, click acquisition, and then select user acquisition. From there, you can explore the data, change dimensions and date ranges, and use those insights to refine your marketing strategy.